Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reset your mouse settings to their original defaults in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. This ensures that all your system components are ready and the operating system has fully initialized before you begin making any changes to your device settings. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows Start menu located within your taskbar and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type in Device Manager and press Enter. This will launch the Device Manager window, which is your central hub for managing all hardware connected to your Windows PC. From this window, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the devices installed on your system, organized by category for easy navigation. From the list of hardware categories, look for the option labeled Mice and Other Pointing Devices and click on the right arrow next to it to expand the section. This will reveal a list of all the mouse devices you have installed on your computer. Choose the hardware you're currently using and right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, simply click on Update Driver. This action triggers a reinstallation process for your mouse hardware, which effectively resets it to its original factory defaults. The system will automatically search for and install the appropriate driver, restoring your mouse to its default configuration. Wait a moment while this process completes, as it ensures your hardware is properly recognized and configured. Once the reinstallation is finished, head back to your Start menu again. This time, you're going to access your control panel by opening your Start menu and typing in Control Panel, then hit Enter. A control panel window will open, displaying various system configuration options. From the list of options, look for the mouse option and click on it. This will open the Mouse Properties window, which contains all the detailed settings for your pointing device. In the Mouse Properties window, click on the Pointers tab at the top. Here you'll see various pointer schemes and customization options. To complete the reset process, click on the Use Default button. This action fully sets your mouse settings back to their original defaults, including pointer speed, button configuration, and visual appearance. And that's it. You've successfully reset your mouse settings to their original defaults in Windows 11, restoring all configurations to how they were when your system was first set up. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.